everyone, I'm Margaret, AI GDE and 3D fashion designer. Super excited to share with you a project called Sketch2Runway, which turns fashion sketches to runway videos in minutes with Google Cloud Generative AI. This project was created in collaboration with Nitin.
Hello everyone, I am Nitin Tiwari, AI GDE and data scientist. Excited to be working alongside Margaret, blending my previous AI work with her fashion and Gen AI expertise to bring this creative project to life with Gemini 2.0 Flash and Veo 3. Now, Margaret will give us a demo of the web app.
First, follow the instructions on GitHub for cloning the code, install the required packages, and configure the .env file. Start the web server with Flask run in the terminal, and then click on the link to bring up the web app UI. I'm going to choose a yellow color, change the stroke size from 1 to 3 for drawing the dress. You can draw with your mouse, with your finger on the trackpad, or with a professional artist drawing tablet, which is what I'm using right now. There is also an eraser in the web app. I like to change the stroke size bigger when erasing. It's really fun to draw, and I'm adding some yellow polka dots. Enter a prompt. Convert the sketch to a photorealistic full-body portrait of a fashion model wearing a chic dress. I click on Generate to convert the sketch to a photorealistic image. This looks great. And now I can edit the image with the prompt. I enter a simple one. Add a beautiful bracelet that goes well with the dress. Then click on Edit Image to see the changes. Now the bracelet has been added without changing the rest of the image. At this point, I could go back to the previous screen to make a different edit. For now, I'm going to proceed with a prompt. She walks forward gracefully with a smile. Add runway music. A stunning runway video gets created with native audio of runway music. On the generated video screen, click on Start Over will erase everything and take me back to the initial screen for drawing a sketch. What I like about this simple web app is that I can go back and forth between each step at any point of time of the workflow. Now Nitin will demo the code in a Colab notebook.
Let's start with the Colab notebook demo. Step 1. First, we install the Gen AI SDK. Step 2. Next, we import all the necessary libraries. Step 3. Now let's configure the Gemini API key along with our GCS bucket and project ID using Colab secrets. Step 4. Time to get creative. Here's an interactive canvas. Go ahead and draw your fashion sketch. This is what my sketch looks like. Step 5. We'll now turn this sketch into a photorealistic image using Gemini 2.0 Flash. That's amazing. Step 6. Want to tweak the look? You can edit the image, add accessories, change the background, or adjust the style. In this case, I've added a white bead necklace to the fashion model. Step 7. Once you are happy with the image, we upload it to our GCS bucket. Step 8. Finally, we pass the image to Veo 3 and generate a stunning video from our design.
We hope you enjoyed our tutorial today. Be sure to check out the GitHub repository, try the code yourself, and read our blog post for all the details.
We are excited to see what you create using Gemini 2.0 Flash and Veo 3. Stay tuned for more innovative projects coming our way.